This is Laura Homan, Quality Assurance Director with StraightScore. Today we will learn how to generate the trophy report. That's right, it's time to log in. Once you enter all scores and check that there are no issues on the View Scores screen, it's time to run the trophy report. You want to refer to the Shoot program to confirm the trophies you will award. In the doubles event we're going to use, we're going to award the following trophies: an overall champion and runner-up, a winner in each class, and a winner in each category. From the Shoot dashboard, we want to select Shootoffs menu and then select Dashboard. You'll notice that all the events are listed, and each of the events right now are pending. That means that the trophy report has not yet been calculated. Let's choose the first event. You want to walk through each of the sections of this screen. First is type. If you'll notice, the default is open, but we could choose in and out of state or in state and open. We're going to use open for our example. And will we have a shoot off or will we have a carryover? In this case, since it's the first event, we're going to have a carryover. And then continue. Next are overall winners. If you'll notice, you have a lot of options here. You can go from champion all the way up to champion to 20th place. For our example, we want a champion and a runner-up. Then we continue. We're next going to set up the class winners. We could go to each individual class and we could mark champion. But a faster way is to set all the winners to champion. And then continue. Now we're looking at our category winners. And we do not have all of the categories for this particular event. So you can do it one of two ways. You can select champion and then deselect the categories that you're not going to have. Or you can do the opposite, whichever is more convenient. Click on Continue. This review screen is critical that you take a moment and you double check it. You'll notice that we have the champion and the runner-up as we described, and then for each class we have champion, and then for category we have a Lady 1, a Lady 2 champion, a senior vet, and a vet, and that is correct. Now we're going to calculate. And here are our results. We have our champion, we have our runner-up, we have our category winners, and we have our class winners. And you'll notice there's a tie in D class. Let's take a closer look at D class. D class has one shooter that has no category, and then another shooter that has senior vet as a category. Why is he listed in D class? Well, the rule is if a category shooter is ineligible for category award, they can fall back to class. You'll notice in this case, the high senior vet score is a 93. Therefore, this shooter in D class is ineligible. In other words, his score has been beaten, so he may compete for D class, and that's why he's listed there. Once the carryover is determined, you can come back and you can edit this particular report. Let's go back and pretend as if we're going to edit the report. You'll notice that event 1 has been calculated. If we want to see event 1, we just click and we can view the shoot-off, we can edit the shoot-off, or we can delete. In this case, we're going to edit the shoot-off. And now if we scroll down to D class, we can put in the results of the D class carryover. We can even strike out the shooter that did not win. If we choose, we could actually hide that particular shooter from printing. In this case, we just want to strike through. And then we save the results. And we can view the results. And there's your results. And our D class has been determined. Let's go back. We're going to delete this particular shoot off because we're going to quickly run through as if there were in and out of state winners. Same parameters. Notice that we're going through and we're setting up the in-state parameters first. And then we're going through and setting up the out-of-state parameters. We take a moment to double check in state and out of state, and then calculate. Here are our in-state situations. And here are our out of state. The editing would be the same. And that is how simple it is to run the trophy report in Shoot Pro Cloud. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments or contact us via the club dashboard. Additional resources are available in the video description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to see when we post new tutorials, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new content. Thank you for watching.